On AU Techverse, we're revealing 20 precision measuring tools that quietly decide whether your project fits perfectly or fails at the final step. These are the tools professionals rely on for accuracy you can trust, and every single one featured today has its Amazon link available in the description. If you care about tight tolerances, clean joinery, and results that look intentional, don't skip this list. Precision starts here. 6 digital caliper, 0.0005 resolution, stainless steel. When accuracy matters more than guesswork, a digital caliper becomes one of the most trusted tools on the bench. A 6-inch stainless steel digital caliper is designed to measure inside dimensions, outside thickness, and depth with consistent precision. In real workshop use, it's commonly used for checking material thickness, fitting joinery, measuring drill bits, or verifying hardware sizes before installation. The clear digital readout reduces reading errors and speeds up workflow, especially for repeat measurements. If you want reliable, repeatable accuracy for everyday layout and fitting tasks, this caliper delivers precision you can depend on. 1 digital micrometer, 0.00001 resolution. When tolerances become extremely tight, a digital micrometer is the tool that confirms absolute accuracy. A 1-inch digital micrometer is designed to measure small thicknesses and diameters with finer resolution than a caliper. In real-world use, it's often used for checking metal stock, precision parts, or verifying critical dimensions where small errors matter. The controlled spindle movement allows consistent pressure, helping deliver repeatable results. The digital display makes readings clear and fast to interpret. If your work demands confidence at the smallest scale, this micrometer provides precision that removes doubt. 6 Machinist rule, nonless, etched marking. Sometimes the most precise tool is also the simplest. A 6-inch stainless steel Machinist rule is designed for accurate measuring and layout where durability and readability matter. In real workshop use, it's ideal for checking small dimensions, setting up machines, or transferring measurements directly onto material. The etched markings resist wear and remain clear over time, unlike printed scales. Its rigid, thin profile allows it to sit flat against surfaces for reliable readings. If you want a dependable reference tool that stays accurate year after year, this Machinist rule quietly supports precision in every task. 12 Combination square. Accurate layout starts with reliable squareness, and a 12-inch combination square is one of the most trusted tools for that job. With a solid metal head and a steel rule, it's designed to check 90-degree and 45-degree angles while also serving as a depth and height gauge. In real workshop use, it helps square boards before cutting, set blade heights, and verify joinery alignment during assembly. The adjustable head allows repeatable measurements without remarking each time. If you want one measuring tool that supports layout, setup, and verification with confidence, this square delivers everyday precision. 4 Double Machinist square. When working on small parts, accuracy can disappear quickly if the tool is oversized. A 4-inch double machinist square is designed for checking squareness in tight spaces where larger squares feel clumsy. In real workshop use, it's ideal for small joinery, drawer parts, metal layouts, and machine setups where precision matters at a compact scale. The double square design allows you to check both inside and outside corners accurately. Its solid construction helps it stay true over time. If you want dependable squareness for detailed work, this small square delivers big accuracy in a compact form. 3-4 Precision Engineer's square set. When projects demand absolute squareness, an engineer's square is the reference tool professionals trust. A 3x4-inch Precision Engineer's square set is designed for high accuracy checking of machine setups, joinery alignment, and layout verification. In real workshop use, it's commonly used to confirm table saw blade alignment, check fence squareness, or verify precision cuts before assembly. The hardened, accurately ground edges provide confidence that what you're checking is truly square. Compact and rigid, it fits easily into tight setups. If you want a no-compromise reference for critical accuracy, This square set delivers certainty where precision matters most. Digital angle gauge/bevel box. Setting exact angles by eye often leads to small errors that show up later during assembly. A digital angle gauge, also known as a bevel box, is designed to give precise angle readings instantly. In real woodworking and metalworking use, it's commonly placed on saw blades, fences, or work surfaces to confirm accurate bevels and miters. The digital display removes guesswork and speeds up machine setup, especially when switching between angles. Its compact size makes it easy to store and use on multiple tools. If you want repeatable angle accuracy without manual calculations, this tool delivers fast, reliable results. Digital Protractor 360. When projects involve compound angles or non-standard layouts, a digital protractor becomes essential. This 360-degree digital protractor is designed to measure and transfer angles accurately between workpieces and machines. In real workshop use, it's often used for setting miter saw angles, copying existing angles from walls or trim, and verifying bevel cuts before committing to material. The digital readout makes angles easy to read without interpreting scales. Its folding arms allow flexible positioning for different tasks. If you want confidence when working with complex angles, this tool delivers clarity and precision every time. Precision wheel style marking gauge. Clean, accurate layout lines are the foundation of tight joinery, and a wheel style marking gauge is built for that exact purpose. In real woodworking use, this tool scores a fine line directly into the wood instead of leaving a thick pencil mark. That scored line gives your saw or chisel a physical reference to register against, improving accuracy and reducing tear out. The adjustable fence lets you set a consistent offset from an edge and repeat it across multiple parts. If you want layout lines that guide your cuts instead of guessing them, this marking gauge delivers precision that shows in the final fit. 6 or 8 digital height gauge. Setting exact heights by eye is one of the easiest ways to introduce small but costly errors. A 6-inch or 8-inch digital height gauge is designed to measure and transfer precise heights from a reference surface with confidence. In real workshop use, it's commonly used to set router, bit height, table saw blade height, or dado depth before making a cut. The digital display makes fine adjustments clear and repeatable, especially when dialing in setups across multiple passes. If you want machine setups that stay consistent instead of relying on trial cuts, this tool brings precision directly to your workflow. Setup block set 132. 1 aluminum blocks. Machine setup becomes far more reliable when you stop guessing and start referencing exact dimensions. A setup block set made from precision aluminum blocks is designed to help you set blade heights, fence positions, and cutter depths quickly and accurately. In real workshop use, these blocks are stacked to match exact measurements, making table saw, router table, and joiner setups repeatable without test cuts. The solid blocks don't compress or flex, so measurements stay consistent every time. If you want faster setups with fewer mistakes and more confidence before cutting, this block set delivers accuracy you can trust. 24 aluminum precision straight edge. A straight reference is the backbone of accurate layout and machine setup, and a 24-inch aluminum precision straight edge is built for that role. In real workshop use, it's used to check table saw tops, jointer beds, router tables, and glued panels for flatness before problems show up in cuts. The rigid aluminum body resists warping while staying lightweight enough for daily handling. Placed across a surface, it quickly reveals high or low spots that affect accuracy. If you want to verify flatness instead of assuming it, this straight edge gives you a clear, reliable reference every time. 4-foot high accuracy aluminum level. Keeping assemblies straight over longer distances is where small errors usually hide. A 4-foot high accuracy aluminum level is designed to verify level and plumb across cabinets, frames, walls, and machine setups. In real workshop and installation use, it helps ensure workbenches, table saws, and large assemblies are aligned correctly before work continues. The rigid aluminum body resists twisting, which keeps readings dependable over time. Using a longer level also reduces cumulative error compared to short levels. If you want confidence that large projects are truly straight and not just close enough, this level delivers reliable accuracy you can trust. Center finding ruler. Finding the exact center of a board shouldn't require math or repeated marking, and that's exactly what a center finding ruler is built to solve. With dual scales that measure outward from the center, this ruler lets you locate true center lines instantly. In real woodworking use, it's especially helpful for laying out dowel holes, mortises, hardware placement, and symmetrical designs. You simply align the edges and mark the center without calculating half measurements. This reduces layout errors and speeds up repetitive work. If you want faster, cleaner center marks with zero guesswork, this ruler quietly improves accuracy on every layout task. Metric Imperial 16 F tape measure. A tape measure is often the most used measuring tool in the shop, and fine markings make a real difference in accuracy. This 16-foot tape measure with both metric and imperial scales is designed for precise layout where small fractions matter. In real woodworking use, it helps with breaking down lumber, marking cut lines, and checking dimensions without switching tools. The clear, closely spaced markings reduce reading errors, especially during fast-paced work. Its compact size keeps it easy to carry and control. If you want everyday measurements that stay accurate instead of approximate, this tape measure delivers dependable precision. Digital depth gauge for grooves and dados. Getting the depth right is what separates a clean joint from a sloppy one, especially with dados and grooves. A digital depth gauge is designed to measure precise depths quickly and consistently. In real woodworking use, it's commonly used to verify dado depth, check groove cuts, and set router or saw blade heights without guessing. The digital readout makes fine adjustments clear, which saves time compared to repeated test cuts. Its flat base allows stable measurements from reference surfaces. If you want joinery that fits correctly on the first try, this depth gauge brings confidence and repeatability to your setups. Marking knife bevel. When accuracy goes beyond pencil lines, a marking knife becomes the tool professionals trust. A double-bevel marking knife is designed to score crisp, exact layout lines directly into the wood surface. In real woodworking use, it's commonly used for laying out joinery like dovetails, mortises, and tenons, where precision matters most. The fine blade creates a physical groove that guides saws and chisels, reducing tear out and improving fit. The double bevel edge allows use from either side of a rule or square. If you want layout lines that actively improve cut accuracy, this knife delivers clean, reliable precision. Sliding bevel gauge, locking, steel blade. When angles aren't standard, copying them accurately becomes more important than measuring numbers. A sliding bevel gauge is designed to capture an existing angle and lock it in place for transfer. In real woodworking use, it's often used to copy angles from walls, trim, or existing furniture, and then move that exact angle to a saw or layout line. The steel blade provides rigidity, while the locking mechanism keeps the angle from drifting during use. This makes it especially useful for renovation and custom fit work. If you want precise angle transfer without calculation errors, this bevel gauge delivers dependable accuracy. Multi-angle Carpenter / speed square with scribe holes. When layout speed and accuracy both matter, a multi-angle Carpenter square becomes an everyday essential. This type of speed square is designed to mark 90-degree and 45-degree lines, check angles, and guide quicksaw cuts with confidence. In real woodworking and carpentry use, the scribe holes allow you to mark consistent, parallel lines quickly without measuring each time. The solid construction keeps the square rigid against edges, which improves accuracy during fast layout work. If you want a reliable tool that supports quick, repeatable marking without slowing you down, this square delivers practical precision on every project. Feeler gauge set, an inch thickness. When gaps are too small to measure with a ruler, a feeler gauge set becomes the most reliable solution. This set of thin metal blades is designed to measure extremely small clearances in both metric and inch sizes. In real workshop use, feeler gauges are commonly used for setting machine tolerances, checking blade alignment, and verifying gaps in precision setups. The individual blades are clearly marked and stackable for combined measurements. Simple and accurate, they remove guesswork from fine adjustments. If you want absolute control over tiny clearances that affect accuracy, this gauge set delivers precision where it truly counts. If this video helped you understand which measuring tools actually matter for accurate results, make sure to like it so others can find it too. Drop a comment and tell us which measuring tool you rely on the most in your shop, or which one you want to upgrade next. And for honest, practical tool breakdowns that help you build with confidence, subscribe to AU TechVerse, because precision is the foundation of every great project.